वेलकम अगेन बच्चों। इस सेशन में वी विल स्टडी इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन। किसी भी मोशन में कोई बॉडी अगर मूव कर रही है तो दो तरह के मोशन हमने पढ़े हैं। आइदर इट मे बी यूनिफॉर्मली मोशन और इट मे बी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। फॉर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन वी विल कंसीडर ओनली which cases we will consider only uniformly accelerated motion. So for uniform motion, we have only one equation. For uniform motion, you can use this equation: speed that is equal to distance upon time, or maybe velocity. It should be equal to how much? It should be equal to displacement upon time. This is for uniform motion. But if it is uniformly accelerated motion, then we will use some different equations. So, suppose initial velocity of any body is suppose u, final velocity that is suppose v, time taken to change from initial to final that is suppose t. Now a body is moving, initial is u, final velocity is v, t second में body will move some distance also. So suppose distance I am representing by s. For initial I am representing by u, for final it is v, for time it is t, and for distance it is s. Acceleration is suppose a. So suppose we are having graph like this. Here I have taken velocity, here I have taken time, and I have drawn one straight line. This straight line, this will always indicate uniformly accelerated motion. Is that clear? This straight line will indicate uniformly accelerated motion. Suppose I have taken 2 points. This is suppose initial point. This is suppose final point. Finally, its velocity is v. Initially, its velocity is u. Here time is suppose t1. Here time is suppose t2. Clear? Now, suppose someone asks to find the slope. So, slope of the curve. In last session, I have explained what is the slope. Difference in y coordinate upon difference in x coordinate, that is BC upon AC. BC is equal to यहाँ से यहाँ तक की velocity कितनी है? That is v. Here velocity is u. So BC should be equal to how much? V minus u. And AC should be equal to T2 minus T1. So BC divided by AC. BC is V minus u. AC is T2 minus T1. That is suppose T2 minus T1. Maybe I have written T. So slope will be equal to V minus u divided by T. This is the slope. And what does this slope indicate? Previous session में हमने क्या बताया था? Slope. Your slope is showing change in velocity upon time taken to change. So this should be the acceleration. So A should be equal to how much? V minus u divided by t. That is AT is equal to V minus u, or V is equal to u plus AT. This is known as first equation. V that is equal to u plus AT. किस तरह से निकाला हमने? I have taken slope of the curve and the slope will indicate acceleration, और उससे इक्वेशन क्या मिला है हमें? V is equal to u plus AT. Is that clear? Now Think about area. Suppose area covered by this VT curve from time axis. This area is how much? A, B, C. Suppose this point is D, this is E. So area should be equal to triangle ABC plus rectangle ACDE. Triangle ABC will be equal to how much? Half BC into AC. BC into AC plus rectangle ACDE. This should be equal to length into breadth. Length is T into DC. Okay? इसको कितना माना था हमने? T माना था. So half BC is equal to how much? V minus U. AC is equal to T plus T into DC is equal to U. Is that clear? From first equation, what you are having? V is equal to U plus AT means V minus U should be equal to AT. So we can replace V minus U by AT. So what you will get? Half AT into T plus UT. Half AT into T क्या होगा? Half AT square plus UT. This should be the area. And area always represent total displacement in that interval. ये बताया था कि एरिया क्या शो करता है? एरिया will represent total displacement. So this should be equal to S. So another you are getting another equation UT plus half AT square. This is distance or displacement. This is our second equation. First equation is V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now this is one trapezium. These are two parallel sides. Again you can write area that is equal to how much? Trapezium A, B, D, E. This is area. So trapezium क्या होता है? Half sum of parallel sides into height. What are the parallel side here? AE and BD. AE plus BD into height. Height is this much. This is equal to into T. Half AE. AE means AE. यहाँ क्या पोजीशन मानी थी? We have taken U. U. BD is V into T. Half V plus U and T. V is equal to U plus AT. Yeah, V minus U is equal to AT. That means instead of T, we can write V minus U upon A. V plus U into V minus U. Area is indicating distance. So S should be equal to V half V plus U into V minus U. So V plus U into V minus U is V square minus U square upon 2A. This should be equal to S. So S should be equal to how much? और 2A पे हम प्रोडक्ट कर दें तो 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. This is known as third equation. Is that clear? तो तीन इक्वेशन हम लोगों ने पढ़े हैं. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square and b square minus u square is equal to 2as. These are the three equations. Number 1, b is equal to u plus at. Number 2, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Number 3, b square minus u square is equal to 2as. तो कुल मिलाकर आपने देखा है these are the three equation. 4 parameters we are using. 5 parameters. U, V, T, A and S. ये 5 पैरामीटर्स इन इक्वेशंस में हैं. एट ए टाइम वी हैव टेकन 4 पैरामीटर्स. किसी भी इक्वेशन में देखें, ये दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन V, U, A and T. This is the relation between S, U, A and T, and this is the relation between V, U, A and S. एक पैरामीटर सभी इक्वेशन से मिसिंग है. न्यूमेरिकली आपके लिए कोई 3 पैरामीटर्स दे दिए जाएंगे. यू विल फाइंड 3 पैरामीटर्स, either V, U और A, या U, A और S, और V, A और S. Is that clear? कोई भी 3 पैरामीटर्स आपको दिए जाएंगे किसी भी न्यूमेरिकल में, and remaining 2 parameters you can find by using these 3 equations. Or this equation is applicable only for uniformly accelerated motion. For uniform motion, you are having one simple formula: speed is equal to distance upon time. That is a simple formula. But for uniformly accelerated motion, you will apply these 3 equations. Is that clear? इन पर बेस्ड आपके लिए निश्चित तौर पर कोई ना कोई न्यूमेरिकल पूछा जाएगा. हम आपके लिए इसी का असाइनमेंट अभी फर्स्ट ड्यूटी आपके लिए असाइनमेंट इन्हीं इक्वेशन से होगा. क्लियर? व्हाट्सएप पे आपके लिए इसी का असाइनमेंट मिलेगा. यू हैव टू परफॉर्म सम एक्टिविटीज एंड डू सम न्यूमेरिकल्स. ओके, थैंक यू.